Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 5 English chapter 12 Chittorgarh, a glimpse of glory. Glimpse. Glimpse means a quick and not complete view of something, and glory means fame or honor. As you know, Rajasthan is famous for its forts and Chittorgarh is one of the districts of Rajasthan. Chittorgarh is also famous for its fort, Chittorgarh Fort. It is one of the largest fort in India. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it attracts tourists in a large number throughout the year. Chittorgarh Fort is so big and it has so many gates and it has a story behind it. Chittor is also famous for Jauhar of Rani Padmini and Rani Karnavati underwent during attack of invaders. So let us more read about Chittorgarh. See, this is the Chittorgarh Fort. Hello, I am Sapna, a student of class 5. I live in Kota. This is Sapna. She is describing about her visit to Chittorgarh. She lives in Kota. Last week, I went to Chittorgarh with my parents. We visited the world famous fort of Chittorgarh. She went to visit Chittorgarh fort with her parents. It is situated on a high hill. Situated means in a particular place or position. Chittorgarh Fort is situated at a high hill. It is considered to be one of the largest forts in India. It was built by the Mauryas during 7th century. Built or built means make. Built is second form. It means make. Chittorgarh Fort was built by the Mauryas during 7th century. It had been the capital of Mewar for more than 800 years. Capital means a city that is the center of government of a country or a state. So, this was the capital of Mewar for more than 800 years. We took the morning train from Kota railway station. Who took? Sapna and her family took morning train from Kota railway station. It took about 3 hours to reach Chittorgarh. The distance between Chittorgarh and Kota by train is about 3 hours. After having tea and some snacks at the Chittorgarh station, we took an auto rickshaw to reach the fort. They took some snacks at the station of Chittorgarh and then they went to the fort. The road to the fort had many turns. The way was very means जिसको कहते हैं ना घुमावदार रास्ते, that was. We went through the gates, namely the Padan Pole, Bhairav Pole, Hanuman Pole, Ganesh Pole, Jodla Pole, Lakshman Pole and the main gate named the Ram Pole. What is the name of the main gate? Ram Pole. We bought tickets to see the museum in the Fateh Prakash Palace. Museum. What is museum? Museum is a building in which objects of historical importance are kept. All important things of that palace are kept in that building. Which building? Fateh Prakash Palace. This is also in Chittorgarh Fort. It had a nice collection of old guns, swords and other weapons. Collection. Collection means a group of objects of one type, means things of same type. Weapons. Weapons mean an object such as knife, gun, bomb, etc. that is used for fighting or attacking somebody. So, Fateh Prakash Palace is a museum in Chittorgarh Fort which had collection of old guns, swords and other weapons that were used in battles. We saw the famous Vijay Sthamb. Vijay Sthamb. It was built by Rana Kumbha after his victory over Mahmud Khilji, the Sultan of Malwa. Vijay Sthamb. It is a symbol of victory over Mahmud Khilji by Rana Kumbha. It has 157 steps to reach the top of this tower. Tower. Tower means a tall narrow building or part of a building. It is a tall narrow building. So, how many steps does it have? 157 steps. A light and sound show is held in the evening. There is another tower also. It is called Kirti Sthamb. One tower is called Vijay Sthamb and another tower is called Kirti Sthamb. It is dedicated to Bhagwan Adinath, the first Jain Tirthankar. Dedicated. Dedicated means devoted to a particular subject, task or purpose. Kirti Sthamb is dedicated to Bhagwan Adinath. And who was he? He was the first Jain Tirthankar. We visited the Rana Kumbha Palace. It is also in Chittorgarh Fort. It reminds us of the popular story of Panna Dhai, the mate of young Prince Uday Singh. She sacrificed her son Chandan to save the life of the young Prince Uday Singh. Sacrificed. What is the meaning of sacrifice? Sacrifice means gave up something valuable in order to help another person. That is sacrifice. Very valuable thing is sacrificed. So, Rana Kumbha Palace reminds the story of Panna Dhai, who sacrifices her son Chandan. Panna Dhai was maid of young Prince Uday Singh. She take care of Prince Uday Singh, and when enemies attack at the palace, she sacrificed her son's life in place of Prince Uday Singh. Mirabai, the great devotee of Bhagwan Krishna, also lived in this palace. Devotee. Devotee means a very religious person who belongs to a particular group. Mirabai, have you heard the name of Mirabai? She was devotee of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. She also lives in that palace. It is the same palace where the beautiful queen Padmini committed Jauhar along with many other women to save her honor. Honor. Honor means respect. Jauhar. What is Jauhar? जौहर क्या होता है? जौहर इज सेल्फ मास इमोलेशन, मीन्स बहुत सारी जो लेडीज़ हैं, जो रानियां हैं, कोई अटैक अगर पैलेस पे होता है और इफ़ दे थिंक कि दे विल बी डिफीटेड एंड एनिमी विल कैप्चर देम, देन व्हाट डिड दे डू? एक कुंड बना होता है, उसमें आग लगाई जाती है और उसमें जितनी भी रानियां होती हैं पैलेस की, जितनी लेडीज़ होती हैं, वो सब खुद को बर्न कर लेती हैं, जैसा कि रानी पद्मिनी ने किया था। बहुत फेमस है उनका पद्मिनी का जौहर। इसी को कहते हैं जौहर करना। जब कोई एनिमी अटैक करता है पैलेस पे और ऐसा लगता है कि वो डिफीट हो जाएंगे, तो उनके कैप्चर से अपने ऑनर के लिए, अपनी रिस्पेक्ट के लिए वो खुद को बर्न कर लेती हैं, आग के कुंड में वो बैठ जाते हैं। देयर आर मैनी टेम्पल्स and water bodies inside the fort. So many temples are there in the fort. We visited the Mirabai Mandir, the Kalika Mata Mandir and Tulja Bhavani Mandir. Mirabai Mandir, Kalika Mata Mandir and Tulja Bhavani Mandir are main temples of that fort. We saw the Gomukh and some other ponds. There are so many ponds in the fort. Chittorgarh Fort is the symbol of bravery and patriotism of the people of Mewar. Patriotism. Patriotism means love of one's country. So that fort is symbol of bravery and patriotism. Of whom people? People of Mewar, because they fought bravely. They fought against the foreign invaders to save our motherland. Invaders. Invader means to enter forcefully as an enemy. So, the Mewar people and their forces fought bravely to save their motherland. We are proud of Chittorgarh and the brave warriors of Mewar. Warriors. Warriors means a person who fights in a battle, or we can say a soldier. So, we are proud of Chittorgarh and brave soldiers of Mewar. We concluded our trip with dinner at a restaurant near the fort and took the night train to Kota. So, now they visited the whole Chittorgarh fort and then took the night train to go to their home Kota. So, that was the journey of Sapna with her parents to Chittorgarh fort. Chittorgarh fort is one of the largest fort in India. So, as you know, this is in a World UNESCO Heritage Site. It is a big achievement for us, as Rajasthan is famous for its fort and Chittorgarh is one of the forts which is so much famous in Rajasthan. People visited here throughout the country. So, that was your chapter about Chittorgarh. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.